So basically, guys, this is one of the models that we teach on Sophia Fx. Okay, you would see that the higher time frame confluence is agreeing with us. You see a touch of this uh, demand area, and then we see order flow moving along, right? So since we are seeing that agreement, we are expecting this liquidity to be taken out right here, right? For price to take out this liquidity, for us to drop all the way here, and then for us to see price going all the way up. Okay, so recently prices not been doing that well, but yeah. So basically we're expecting price to fall up to these regions right here. Okay, you see exactly as said, touched, and then execute. Okay, so basically this is a basic market type of entry, whereby we see the price touched a major high time frame area. All right, and then so after we see that the major demand area has been touched, we see we just track order flow basically, and then we identified where liquidity is, where stops are, and where the second stops are. So basically identified as liquidity, which is right here, and we took this entry, taking it all the way up to this supply zone right here. So basically this is USDCAD trade study, about 150 pips.